Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a brand new tutorial. Um this one won't be a LS video for tutorial or any of that. Today I will be showing you guys how to create your own FiveM server. Well, I'm gonna show you how to create one, but this is a like type test server, but it's the same process as if you were to create one like local. So first thing you guys are gonna do is search up FiveM.net, and then you're gonna go create your own server, host your own server. Okay, and then we're gonna use this as a guide, so keep this page open until I tell you guys can close it completely. Okay, so it's similar how it's gonna look, and we're gonna get started. Okay, so let's keep scrolling right here. Traditional installation steps, Visual C Restri I can't say that correctly, but you guys are gonna install this. Okay, and then you guys are gonna put it somewhere where um you guys are gonna remember to have it. Okay, and then just let this download. Okay, let's wait for it. Let's wait. Okay, and then we're gonna launch it. Let's minimize this, and then you don't have to read all this. No one reads it. You put I agree to the license and terms. Install. Yes. Okay, and then let's just wait for this. Give it a second. Okay, give it a second. Okay, just wait for it, guys. Okay, and then you must restart your computer before you can use the software. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I am now back with you guys. So what you guys had to do with that distribution thing, so let's go back. What it's gonna say for you guys, it's either gonna say install or repair, but most likely when it says install you have to install it, and then if it says repair you're basically done with that. And then we're gonna go, where is it? I believe it's this one. Oh no, it's this one. Yep, it's this one. Okay, so you're gonna install artifact server. Okay, but first of all, before we download that, I'm gonna show you guys one step that you guys need to do. Okay, so you guys are gonna go to your file explorer, and then you're gonna go to this PC. I'm gonna put it in my C drive. I recommend it to put in your C drive. Press new folder, and then you're gonna do capital F, capital X, and then lowercase server. Okay, and then you're gonna download this. Okay, download the latest recommended. Okay, you're gonna download this, and then give it a second. Just give it a second. Meanwhile, it downloads. Okay, and then we're gonna open this. Okay. Okay, we're gonna open this, and then we're gonna open the FX server, and then we're just gonna am I correct? Yep. Okay, so you guys, much easier ways to do is Control A, but just don't do the two dots, and then you guys are just gonna drag and drop this here. Okay, and then just wait for it. Okay, and then it should all be downloaded there. Okay, and then once it's done, you guys can exit out of this, and then go back to the FiveM server installation guide. You guys can exit both of these out. Okay, and then you're gonna install the server data. Okay, and then this where like you're gonna have like your resources folder and stuff like that. So download this. Okay, and then for this, let me check. Okay, so for this, you guys I believe it's just drag and drop. Is it the same? One second, guys. Give me a second. Oh no, okay, you don't just put it. Okay, so you're gonna open this, and then resources, and the readme get whore get I didn't even say that. I said whore. Okay, so drop it in there, and then you're now gonna have this resources folder and stuff like that. And then I believe, yeah, you're gonna have this now, but you don't have the server.cfg. Okay, so you're gonna go back to the website. Okay, and then you can now exit out of this. Okay, and then from there you're gonna go scroll down until you see server.cfg. You're gonna highlight all of this. Okay, highlight all of this right here, and then copy, and then you're gonna minimize this, and you can exit out of this now. Okay, okay guys, so once you copy the whole the server.cfg, you can do control C, either one. Okay, and then you're gonna you only have this, as you see. Okay, so you're gonna right click, new text document. Okay, you're gonna open this and then paste that in there, and then file, save as, and then you're gonna put all files, and then you're gonna name this server.cfg, and then you're gonna click save, file, save. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, do I have it correctly? Okay, yes, I have this correct, guys. So you can delete this. Where is it? The new text document, the one. Okay, you can delete this, and then server.cfg, and then you have all this. Okay, and then all this is in the future. I'm gonna show you guys how to do all this, and then in this video I'm gonna also show you guys how to set up vMenu, so it can just be an all-in-one. This might be a long video, so stand by, guys. Okay, so once that's done, we're gonna go back. Okay, so we're gonna go back. Okay, right here, and then we go back. Oh shoot. Okay, so we stay right here, and then okay, sorry, I keep saying and then. Okay, so right here, and then just, okay, it's not really necessary. Okay, and then you guys are gonna search up keymaster5m.net. Okay, it's just gonna do this. Okay, yes, boats. Okay, just do this. I know I'm not gonna skip any part from this video, guys. I might. Okay, so once that's done, okay, so it says you need to sign in first. Okay, so I sign in. Okay, and you guys can't see any of this right now, it's blurred out. Okay, and then once you guys have signed in, the next thing you guys are gonna do is you guys are gonna register a new key. So I believe, can I delete this one? I don't need this key. Okay, so yeah, I don't need that key. Okay, so you guys can register a new key, and then for the name, the name doesn't really matter, so let's just name this. I have my own server. Let's just name it test server. Let's just name it test server for now. Okay, and then from here, where it says for the IP, you guys are just search up what's my IP. Is it no? Just type what's my IP, and you guys are gonna highlight all of this. Okay, and then you guys can't see the IP, so just search up what's my IP. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so I'm doing this wrong. Okay, so what's my IP point.com. Yep, it's the website. Okay, and then yeah, sure, why not? Okay, and then once you guys have that, you guys are gonna come to this. Where am I? Okay, what's my IP address? Okay, you guys are just gonna highlight all of this. You guys can't see my screen right now because I blurred it out. Okay, and then for where it says server type, pick a type, and then you're gonna put other home hosted. Yep, and then what server provider are you using? Okay. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so yeah, you guys are gonna type home hosting, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you guys are just gonna type home hosting. Okay, and then you're gonna put I'm not a robot, and you guys are gonna put generate. Okay, so it looks like the IP is wrong. Okay. Okay, guys, once that is completely done, okay, so once that's done, the key is gonna be right here, which you guys are not gonna be able to see this key also. Okay, and then once that is done, once you got the key, you're gonna open up your server.cfg. You're gonna scroll all the way to the ground to the bottom, and it says Steam Web API key, and then right here, oh no, I'm not, no, okay, where it says license key for your server and key master, it says, and then where it says change me, erase that, and then replace it with the key that you have, that you or that you got. Okay. Okay, and then once that is completely done, you guys are gonna click file, save, and then now we're gonna move on, and then you guys are gonna search up Steam. Okay, you guys are gonna search up Steam. Am I correct? Do you have to search up Steam? Oh no, okay, no, you guys don't have to search up Steam. Okay, I was wrong. It's because I did it for my other server. Okay, so once that is done, save, exit out of it, refresh, and now you can launch your FX server. But wait, give you a second. Okay, so it's gonna bring you to your TX admin, and then whatever your account is, you can minimize that. It's just starting up. Okay, whatever it is, you can log into your Citizen FX, whatever your whatever is your account that you're logged in. Okay, and continue, and then here you have the TX admin and everything. For the first time, it's going fast for me because my other PC goes so slow. Okay, and you get all of these errors. Okay, so don't worry about that. Don't worry. Okay, we're gonna fix that right now. Okay, and then I believe, where do I go now? Okay, do I go over here? Okay, so okay, guys, so I've been trying to figure out, I don't know what's up. So I'm gonna put a mini video of what to do after this step once you launch FX server. Okay, see, now you guys are back. Okay, so after you guys follow that tutorial, yeah, it's basically a tutorial. Okay, so you guys are gonna go right here. Okay, and then of course the TX admin is gonna come up. Okay, and then here you're gonna have all this. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so once you guys are access here, okay, the next step of what's gonna be next, I believe you're pretty much done for this part. Okay, and 1 second, guys. Yeah, so the TX admin, make sure you guys pin this. This is just a test server, as I mentioned. If you want, like, where your friends can actually join, you would need a what do you call it, you would need a VPS, which I will link in the description. And if you guys want to join my support server, feel free to. Okay, and if you guys want to join my server, let me turn this off, guys. If you guys want to join my server, we're looking for more staff. Leo EMS. If you guys want to join, here it is. Yeah, if you guys want to join the server, my server, I will link it down in the description for you guys to join. It is a whitelisted server. Okay, so you guys are gonna, much easiest way is to press right here, or what you guys can just do is put local host. Or you guys can just go right here, or another easier way, connect local host. Okay, so it's loading. I will also show you guys right now how to install vMenu and set up the permissions and everything. Okay, and how to set yourself as a admin, and I will show you guys right now. So since we have no loading screen, there's nothing. Okay, so there we go, we're loading up, and as you guys can see, we don't have vMenu, we don't have nothing. You guys can see nothing, no keys. Okay, so yeah, as you guys can see, we're just like a random player. Okay, but we do have this. Okay, so I will show you guys right now how to install vMenu. Okay, so let me do this.
Come on! Oh shit!
Okay, so okay, so what you guys are gonna do, you guys are gonna search up vMenu. Okay, and you guys are gonna install vMenu. Okay, and then the download, and then click me right here, and then you guys are gonna download the vMenu zip, not the source code. Okay, there we go, the vMenu. Okay, so follow, pay attention carefully, guys. Okay, so you guys are gonna go to your resource folder. Okay, and then you're gonna make a new folder, name it vMenu. Okay, and then you guys are just gonna drag all of these files into here. Okay, so once they're in, open it, config, and I recommend putting these permissions on the FX server right here. Okay, so as you guys can see, where's the permissions? Okay, it's right here. So right here. So if you guys have interaction menu, I can, 244 is basically, let me see if I'm still recording. Okay, I am. So it's at 244, which it means it's at M, and I would set it to 288, which is F1. Okay, and then keep spawn vehicles from spawning, replace previous vehicles, disable. We will go through I'm gonna go through with you guys the main important things. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's just scroll down. Weather, this is the time. Okay, so right here, admin group players. Let's do this first. Wait, give me a second before we do that. This is all weather stuff. Okay, so right here, so admin group players, what you guys are gonna do, okay, you guys can exit out of this. You guys are gonna go to your Steam. Okay, and then you guys are gonna go view my profile, and then copy page URL. Okay, and you guys are gonna search up internet Steam ID finder. Okay, and then you guys are just gonna paste that in there, and then crap, I have to do this. I hate when this happens. Okay, I sometimes have to be connected to the server. Okay, you guys are just gonna go do this, copy it. Okay, erase all of this, and then find it, and then Steam ID hex 64. You guys are gonna copy this. I will leave all links to all of this in the description. Okay, and then you're gonna replace this group.admin. We're not quite done yet. Okay, and if you want the same for your moderators and everything, and then permissions, out of base, built-in, everyone, doesn't really matter, because no one's gonna join the server since it's just a test server. Where it says add A's and then built in everyone, you're gonna erase that group dot admin, okay, and then don't touch this unless you know what you're doing, which I just showed you guys, okay. And here are all the permissions. Okay, allow anyone to use no clip. I'm gonna put this to false because I don't want anyone to do no clip, okay. And then here are all the permissions, and then here you guys, if you guys want to disable anything from player related, you guys are gonna press all, okay. You put a that symbol before add, okay. And then the ones you do want to enable, like for it to show up, once you put all, you have to just erase this and then put it of your preference, okay. And then it's the same for all this. Let's see what else there is to go through. The time, weapons, and you can, there's a bunch of permissions you can go through. Voice chat, okay. Let's scroll all the way up. Am I missing anything else? Okay. Let me see. Okay, no, I'm not. Okay, so you guys can press file, save, okay, and then refresh. Let's log out of this. Okay, let's log out of this, and let me go over with you guys through the server.cfg. I didn't go over that. Oh yeah, before we go through it and I forget, vMenu, and then right click and then rename, and then copy, and then right here, and then always whichever script you add, you always have to start it up. You guys are gonna do ensure vMenu, okay, and then save. Let's see what else, and then this doesn't really matter. You guys can change the name, and then you can add your logo if you guys want. I can show you all of this in the future, and all of this, and then okay, stuff like that, and then save, boom, boom, okay. And then let's see if it started up. Okay, I have to go through this. Okay, continue. Okay, same process, guys. And then let's, another way if it didn't start up, where vMenu is set up to ignore permissions. Oh god, I didn't, did I put it to ignore permissions? Oh yeah, I forgot. Its default set will be just everyone's besides banning. Okay. So, okay, so give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, so I am such a fool. I totally forgot about this. So, I'm gonna leave this code or whatever you guys want to name it in the description. I'm gonna leave this right here in the description, so you guys are gonna type execute permissions.cfg, okay. You guys are gonna do that, okay, and then you're gonna launch the FX server, okay. I'm such a fool, I totally forgot about that. Okay, so you guys are gonna type that, and then once you have typed it, okay, you can just choose a recent server you've been on, okay. And as I mentioned, there's no loading screen yet, okay. And then let's just give it a second. Okay, let's give it a second. Boom, boom. Okay, and then you guys can see vMenu, and then if we press F1, there you guys go. We have online players, band players, player, vehicle related options, world related options, time. You guys can change the weather, okay, as you guys can see, change it, okay. Now let's change it back, okay. And then here you guys can band, and you guys can kick, okay. So all that there is, and if you guys want a tutorial on showing me how on other things you guys would like, let me know. Oh god, I almost fell. Let me know in the comments below. Oh crap, let me know in the comment. Oh, I can't do no clip, I forgot. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. As I mentioned, guys, I can show you guys how to install other scripts. But as I mentioned, if you guys want to join my server, give me a second. Yeah. If you guys want to join my server, feel free to. It's right here. I will leave it in the description for the server for you guys to join. We have a bunch of things. We're looking for more staff. We have currently switched Discord servers right here. Okay, as I mentioned. Okay, and that's pretty much gonna conclude today's tutorial. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna conclude today's tutorial. And if this helped you guys in any sort of way, let me know down in the comments below. If you, as I mentioned, if you guys need more additional help, join my support Discord server, and I will be glad to assist you guys. And I'm looking for staff. If you qualify to see to know a couple of things about this, I will put you as one of my staff team. But yeah, feel free to join the server and my Discord, my own roleplay server, and my support Discord server, and everything in the I mentioned in this video will be down in the description. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if this helped you in any sort of way, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.